Hello everyone, welcome back to Kind of a Look. I just finished cleaning out and replacing some parts on my vacuum this day and wanted to do a thorough pull across the carpet. It has been a very long time since I had cleaned the filters, so it will be very interesting to see what comes up. I love vacuum lines, and if you do too, enjoy. Look at all of the dirt for just this area. That's a lot. We now have a cleaner carpet and vacuum lines. Now I just need to work on cleaning the carpets. I hope that this gives you the motivation to clean.